How to fix something seems to have gone wrong on ChatGPT. Hey everyone, if you guys have been getting this error while using ChatGPT, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix it. This might be caused because of various reasons. The first one being your internet connection. So the first thing you're going to have to do is try switching over to mobile data. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and then turn on mobile data. Try to open ChatGPT again and see if that works. But if you're on data, you can try switching over to Wi-Fi network. But if that didn't work, then go to settings, scroll down and find your app settings. Then once your app settings is open, find ChatGPT here. So I'm just going to scroll down and find ChatGPT. Go to its storage and then clear cache because sometimes these temporary cache files might be causing the error. The second thing you can try to do is try to force stop the app. And if there is any background activity going on, it will completely stop the app. Now, once you have done that, you could just go ahead and allow all of the permissions and then simply go ahead and see if ChatGPT servers are down. If that is the case, then there's nothing you can do. You'll just have to wait for the servers to come back up and you'll be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.